Greetings, folks. I hope you fully recovered from the coronavirus and pandemic. Try and get everything before the year's end 2021. Here at Chambers Street on the J line. And guess what I have? And guess what I witnessed? New elevators that's already installed this week after 2 years of renovations. Let me go in. It's mezzanine, doors closed. Let me take a look. Let me show you all the way. Well, not all the way, but let me show you all over and see what it looks like. I have to open the other side. Look at this. They have ramps. Have to walk all the way around. Elevator to Brooklyn, Queens. New platform that is clean, brand new. See the sign. Another ramp, same thing. Have to go on the other side. I'm glad the station has already have new elevators, ramp access, stairwell. I feel like this station is getting world-class transportation, in my opinion. Look at this. New elevators. Same thing as Astoria Boulevard. Down to it goes. Turn around. And the sign says boarding. Open the elevator. Look at that. Beautiful. New elevators. New walls. Stairs. Wow. Tour of the new elevator access. See the big view of this ramp access. But safety is our top priority. Please be very careful. Do not drop any devices right here. Don't get too close. High view. Wow. Gorgeous. Ramp, stairwells. One more video left on this station, and then I go. So I'll see you in the next YouTube video.